Hello, patrons. I'm so excited to see you again today. Today we're going to talk about strength, having the strength to do the things you need to do. You know, I hear people say, oh, I'm just whipped. I'm just so tired. I have adult children living with me. They're sucking the life out of me, or my kids are making me exhausted. I'm going to too many travel ball things or gymnastic things, or my husband's a mess. I'm just exhausted. I want to talk to you about strength. Strength for this job, because I want you to be the mother, be the woman, be that person who is strong, not a doormat, not a wimp, not worn out. And you can do it. And there's one way, and that way is to ask God for His strength. There is a verse in the Bible that says, my strength is in the name of the Lord who made heaven and earth. Those trees behind me, the sky, the breath that we breathe. He created it all. He's got strength for you. You just have to ask. Ask Him, Father, give me the strength that you promised me when you said my strength is in the name of the Lord who made heaven and earth. I trust you. I'll take on that strength. And then work your plan. Don't get distracted by all the stuff in your life that's trying to suck you into the black vortex. It will. Don't let that happen. Instead, say, I believe I have the strength of Jesus Christ who created heaven and earth. And this morning, I'm going to get up and I'm going to do my morning routine. If you need to wear a little cross around your neck, sometimes I put mine on to remind me where my strength comes from. When times of trouble, I put my cross on and I try to remember where my strength comes from, because we do get distracted by things that happen in our lives. So you're going to say, you know what, today I'm going to do my plan. I'm going to do my 50 points, and it's not going to be hard, and I'm going to get it done as early as I can, and then I'm going to relax. I know you're a person who doesn't follow systems very well. How do I know? Because I am you. But this isn't a terribly hard system. This is an eensy beensy little teeny baby step system. And you can do this, I promise. I want you to remain firm but kind with your family. And I want you to have a vision of what your home is going to look like instead of a storage unit. If you're already past storage unit status and you're now into just a little bit messy home, or maybe you've passed the status of that and your home is organized, but something else is sucking the life out of you, stop it right now. Stop it. In the name of love, stop it. And don't allow that to happen to you. Your strength is so incredibly important for your family and for yourself. Take care of you. Make sure you're getting your rest. Make sure you're saying your prayers. Make sure you're respecting your spirituality and you are worshiping God during those times of worship. Make sure that you're grateful. Do you have some kind of a thankfulness journey or grateful journal? Gratitude journal. I have this cute little one that I bought. I bought this from, where did I get this? Cracker Barrel. 100 Days of Thanks. And it's just little quotes from the Bible and little places for you to write your little thanks. It's not big. It's little places to write your thanks. Some days are smaller than that. But you don't have to have this one. You can have anything. But this is one day. Whoops, that's my receipt. This is one day. This is one day. They're just wonderful, wonderful things to do, is to give thanks and to be appreciative for all the great gifts that we have. And you know what happens when you relax in Christ? And you know what happens when you give thanks and that you trust God? You get a peace that comes on you that doesn't make any sense. The peace that passes all understanding. Is that the way it goes? Anyway, in other words, it doesn't make sense that you should have peace in this situation, but you do, because you have Christ in the center of your life. And when you relax and just sit down for a minute and say, you know what, I'm going to stop running around like a chicken with my head cut off. I'm going to sit here and I'm going to thank God for all that He's given me. Even if I just open my eyes and look at the window at the treetops and say, thank you for giving me those treetops to look at. Thank you for giving me that breeze I see stirring in the trees. Thank you for giving me a leaf or two that I see falling off the trees. Thank you for the little birds in the grass. Just thank you. And then you can start thanking Him for other things that are important to you or are important to your spirituality. For me, important to me is those things that I see. I'm very visual, so I'm very grateful for those things. I'm also very grateful for you, and I want to tell you that right now. Thank you. Thank you for being my patrons. Thank you so much for being here with me, for following these, for trying to do your best. When you try to do your best, when you actually do your best work, you don't have to be perfect, but you do great work. You follow the 50 points. You're a force of 1,000. I'm so proud of you, and it gives me such gratitude for you. So I pray for you every day. I pray for you and for your families and for your situations and for your strength. I mainly pray for your strength, that you have the strength that comes from Christ, and the peace that comes from that strength that surpasses all understanding. That's what I want for you, and today I want you to really dwell on that, chew on that while you're working in your home today. Gratitude, strength, peace. Have a wonderful day, and always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.